Good morning students. Today's topic is motions of the earth and major domains of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis once in a 24 hours. The earth is constantly in motion, revolving around the sun and rotating on its axis. These motions account for the phenomena we see as normal occurrence, night and day, changing of the seasons and different climates in the different regions. The earth has two types of motions: rotational motion and revolutional motion or orbital motion. First, see here rotation. This is North Pole, North Pole, and this one is a South Pole. Fine. The rotation, the turning around of the earth on its axis like a top from west to east is known as a rotation. The turning around of the earth on its axis from west to east is known as rotation. Okay, the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. It means one day. The earth rotates on an axis is tipped over at about 23.5 inches, 23.5 degrees. Okay. At any one moment in time, one half of the earth is in sunlight while the other half is in darkness. When the earth rotates, we get day and night. The edge dividing the daylight from darkness is called the circle of illumination. Circle of illumination. Now, effects of rotation. Effects of rotation. See here. The earth rotation is responsible for the daily cycle of day and night. Direction of movement of the sun, moon and planets is from the east to west. Because of the rotation of the earth, a centrifugal force is created. This caused the shape of the earth to be flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. The deflection of wind and ocean currents from their normal paths and regular occurrences of tides twice a day. See this diagram? Sunset, sunrise, morning in the east, then sunrise come from this side in the morning and see the shadow. Okay, then noon, sunlight comes direct equator, then see the image at the evening time. See the image here. Okay, now inclination of Earth's axis. The tilting of the Earth's axis is called the inclination of the Earth's axis. The Earth's inclination on its axis causes unequal duration of days and nights during different parts of the If the earth was not inclined on its axis and the sun's rays were vertical to the orbital plane, then all places would have had day and night of equal duration. The tilt of the Earth's axis is also responsible for the changing of the seasons. Revolution. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. Okay. The orbit of the Earth is oval in shape. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. While 365 days makes revolution, the movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The orbit of the Earth is oval in shape. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. While 365 days makes one complete year, 24 hours are added to a year after every 4 years. It means 6 into 4 equal to 24 to make a complete day. This day is added to the month of February after every 4 years. This is called a leap year, which has 366 days. Seasons change due to revolution of the Earth. At times, the Earth is nearer to the Sun and at times farther away. When the Earth is close to the Sun, its position is known as the perihelion. Peri means near and helion means sun. Perihelion. Okay. When the Earth is away from the Sun, its position is known as aphelion. AP means away from. Okay. So this is the revolution. Now the seasons, the 4 seasons. 4 seasons caused due to the axial tilt and revolution of Earth are spring, summer, autumn and winter. So we will discuss in detail in next class. Thank you, class.